You've asked me about the state effect that I use to create this bell that's ringing. So here we go. I'm going to try to make a video of how I'm making that effect work with one model with the state effect. So on the right you see a model preview of what you just saw of the live Coro Bell, and on the left here is the actual model layout. Now let me point out, I'm running 2 copies of xLights right now. That's how I'm able to display a model and display some model preview from the sequencing window. So as you see a Coro Bell, you can kind of see it goes 1 to 109, and you can kind of see there's the bottom, the clankers as I call them, and up at the top 91 through 97 is the handle. So let's go back over here to xLights for a second and see if I can switch it up. And I'm doing this with my phone, so I apologize. Whoops, I'm gonna have to go back over and cancel that window. So if you go down in the model, and yes, I've got a bunch of models here. This is my test bed for new models. There's this states. If you open this up, I've created a handle, a left, and a right. And if you go back a little bit in the video, you'll see that those node ranges match the handle at the top of the bell, the left clanker, and the right clanker on the bell. So that's all I've done to set up the model. Then going back over here to the sequence, there is an effect called state effect. And state effect, you can, let's see if I can get rid of some things here, make it more visible. With the state effect, you can tell it a state, which just gets handle left or right. I don't know why those windows pop up there, but I've never bothered to report it. That's just how it works. Or, as you'll see down here on this one, you can select a timing track, and you can tell it to iterate. And what it'll do is if you'll put the states in, so this is the actual bell timing track up here, sorry. The states are left, right, left, right. Well, that's what you see happening, left, right, left, right. And the color just happens to be red to show it. So this particular state effect, which this is the state effect up here, is using left, right, left, right. And I was having trouble because if I delete this, I'm going to show you what happens. If I delete that state effect, now I don't quite have what I was looking for. Because now I've got the whole bell lit up and the clankers go green because that's what the whole bell is right now. And when I light up the red, which is what I wanted it to do, that's fine, but I didn't want the green on the clankers. So what Keith helped me do, and Keith is the one that wrote the original state effect, was he had me put another state effect on, and this one follows bell 3. Well, bell 3, if you look at the labels on it, it's right, left, and the color over here is black. So basically it's working in an alternating fashion to what I actually want to happen with the left, right in red. And so that's how you get it. Now, yes, it's a couple of steps, but to me that is much easier than trying to create multiple versions of this model, which you can see down here, handle, Coro Bell empty, Coro Bell left, Coro Bell right. I mean, I used to do a bunch of different things. Let's see if I've still got it. Like this, to be able to get that same look of the clanker that I now got with the video that I just showed. So anyway, I think there's actually a way to do it without this layer if I just work on the rendering or the layer order, whether it's, you know, mask or unmask or whatever, but I haven't played with that. And if I figure that out, I'll do something more later to share with anybody. Okay, hopefully this makes it onto YouTube, and I'll share the link on the xLights Facebook group. Post any questions on the Facebook group if you have it, please. Thank you. Bye.